Hello everyone, I am by Apple Genesis Bagumbaran together with my co-reporter Asim Riada, Bagondang Nova May, and Bra Abi Maleha. And today we will be discussing the organization. So, ang first definition of organization is sinasabi na ang organization is a group of people na nagkasama-sama para ma-achieve ang shared goals nila. Pwede itong maging company, institution, association, or government offices. So, sinasabi na itong organization na ito is sumusunod sa mga legal requirements like business registration, tax IDs, and mga record keeping. Definition ng organization according to A.S. Gutterman is it can be thought of as a group of people na may common goal or nag-set sila ng goal. Then, they intentionally come together para mag-organize, mag-cooperate, and mag-coordinate ng mga activities para ma-achieve nila yung goals nila, and by that is magkakaroon or makakagawa sila ng something valuable. So, the next one is sinasabi na ang organization is both a structure and a process. So, tinawag itong structure dahil, di ba, within the organization is nandoon kung paano nakasaayos yung mga tao, yung mga rules ng mga tao doon, and also yung mga position nila. Then, sinasabi rin na ito ay process kasi, di ba, within the organization is nandoon kung paano ginagawa yung mga task nila. So, for example nito is ang Cotabato State University. So, ito ay may structure na kung saan mayroong mga department, mayroong mga offices, and then, ang process naman is dito kung paano tinuturuan yung mga bata, paano natututo yung mga bata. So, there are two types of organization. Ito yung formal and informal. So, iisa-isahin natin ito. According to Chester Barnard, sinasabi niya na yung formal organization is a group of people na nag-work together consciously towards common goal. And then, it is officially created by laws or management. So for example nito is yung mga local government